children, in last class we saw some properties related to rational number. One of them is closure property, commutativity and associativity. Today we continue our discussion related to the properties of rational numbers. जो हमारा इसके पहले जो क्लास हुआ था उसमें हम देख रहे थे एसोसिएटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी रैशनल नंबर के एडिशन के लिए. द एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज एसोसिएटिव. ये हमने लास्ट पीरियड में देखा था. हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे और हम नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन जो है सबट्रैक्शन, क्या सबट्रैक्शन एसोसिएटिव है ये हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. सपोज वी हैव थ्री रैशनल नंबर्स 2/3, 5/3, 4/3. Now here we take 2/3 plus, we have to take the subtraction 5/3 minus 4/3. So here we get, if we solve this, what we get here? 2/3 minus, first we solve this bracket, we have same denominator, so take the subtraction of numerator, so 2/3 minus in bracket 5 minus 4/3, that is 2/3 minus 1/3 equal to again 2 minus 1, 1/3. Here we get the answer. Now what we do, we have to take 2/3 minus 5/3 in one bracket and then we subtract 4/3 from this bracket. So what we get here? So again we solve it. So 2/3 minus 5/3, that is 2 minus 5 upon 3 minus 4/3. So here we have minus 3/3 minus 4/3 equal to minus 7/3. So what we get here? If we subtract 2/3, if we subtract this bracket from 2/3 and if we subtract 4/3 from this bracket, so we get, here we get the different answers. So we can say that subtraction of rational number is not associative. Rational number, in the subtraction here property, rational number associative. Here subtraction is not associative. ठीक है, तो हम इस प्रकार लिख सकते हैं, that is what we get here, 2/3 minus 5/3 minus 4/3 is not equal to 2/3 minus 5/3 minus 4/3. And then we write subtraction is not associative. Subtraction associative नहीं है, ये हम लिख सकते हैं, ये हम कह सकते हैं. Now let us take one another example. We have same three rational numbers. हमारे पास ये सेम तीन रैशनल नंबर्स है और हम देखेंगे कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन एसोसिएटिव है क्या. So here we take 2/3 into bracket 5/3 into 4/3. हम इस ब्रैकेट के मल्टीप्लिकेशन को 2/3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So what we get here? 2/3 into 5 4s are 20 upon 3 3s are 9. So what we get? 20 into 3, 20 into 2, 40 upon 9 3s are 27. So we get 40/27. Again 2/3. Now we take 2/3 into 5/3 in one bracket and then we multiply 4/3 to this bracket. So what we get here? 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. So the multiplication of this bracket is 10/9. We have to multiply this by 4/3. So here we get 40/27. So what we get here? if we multiply 2 by 3 with this bracket, or if we multiply 4 by 3 with this bracket, we get the same answer. It means that the multiplication of rational number is associative. So multiplication is associative. So that is हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 2 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 5 by 3 in bracket into 4 by 3. So multiplication is associative. In this way, if we take the same rational numbers and if we take the division, definitely we get the different answers. And then we say that the division is not associative. Let us see this also. ये भी हम एक बार देख लेंगे कि डिवीजन करके देख लेंगे कि डिवीजन एसोसिएटिव है क्या। जैसे कि हमने तीन रैशनल नंबर लिए हैं 2 by 3 डिवाइड करेंगे इस ब्रैकेट को 5 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 by 3। पहले तो इस ब्रैकेट का डिवीजन करेंगे, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसे 2 by 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे। सो व्हाट वी गेट हियर 2 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 by 3 into 3 by 4. So here we have 2 by 3. now divide करेंगे 2 by 3 को 5 3 जा 15 या तो रिड्यूस कर लेंगे 3 3 कैंसल we get 5 by 4. So we get 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 and we get answer 4 2 जा 8 5 3 जा 15. Now we take the division of 2 by 3 and 5 by 3, and with this division we have to divide 4 by 3. So first we take the division of this bracket, that is 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 और फिर डिवाइड करेंगे 4 by 3 से. So what we get here, again this 3 3 cancel and we have 2 by 5 divide by 4 by 3. So here we take 2 by 5 into 3 by 4 and we get 3 2 are 6, 5 4 are 6 by 3. So during this association we have the same three rational numbers, but we associate these three rational numbers in different ways, but order is same. We keep the order same. And what we get here, we get the different answers. It means that we can say that division of rational number is not associative. So we have said 4 operations under this associativity. Number 1 is addition, and we see that addition is associative, subtraction is not associative. Then multiplication is associative and division is not associative. So dear students, in last class and in today's class we have saw 3 important properties related to rational numbers. One is closure property, second is commutativity, that is commutative property, and third one is associativity, that is associative property. And by using this property we have to solve some examples by simplifying with the help of this property. We use this property to simplify and then solve it. So let us take one example. Suppose 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. We have to solve this example. Now by using these properties, that is commutativity and associativity. So what we do here there are total 3 terms. This is 1, this is second and this is third. Because they are connected by each other, minus plus is between them. So this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. If you observe it carefully, what we get here, in this first term and this third term, 2 by 3 is common. So we take these two terms near to each other and then we subtract 1 by 3 from it. So by using, we can say by using commutativity and associativity, इस प्रकार हम बोल सकते हैं. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 plus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So here what we get, 2 by 3, we have to take out 2 by 3 common. अगर हम 2 by 3 common निकालते हैं तो in bracket we get 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 3 is here. So again 2 by 3 into, so here denominators are same, so we add numerators. So 5 plus 3 8, that is 8 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Again what we get here, 2 by 3 into 4 to the 8 into 2 minus 1 by 3. So 2 to the 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, we get the answer 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So in this way we can simplify it. हम इस प्रकार इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. लेकिन इसमें और एक प्रॉपर्टी को हमने ऐड किया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिविटी. Distributivity of we can say that what we do here, this first term and this first term and this third term, we take it and we have to common out 2 by 3 and then 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4, we add this in bracket. So if we multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 and again 2 by 3 into 3 by 4, we get the previous step. That is, we have to distribute it and we have taken out common from it. So this is also called a distributivity property. हम इसको distributivity property भी कहते हैं. इस property का भी हम use कर सकते हैं. So by using commutativity and distributivity, you can say we can solve this example. So see, dear students, what we did here. So here we get the answer 1. Let us take another example. Five by 4 into 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 9 by 5 plus 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. Now we have to solve this example by using these properties. That is, we have the properties commutativity, associativity and again distributivity. Now by using these properties we have to solve this example. So this is, now see this first term and this third term. क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? 5 by 4 इन दोनों टर्म्स में कॉमन है, इसीलिए हम इन दोनों टर्म्स को एक साथ ले लेंगे और उसमें से इस प्रोडक्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे. सो हियर वी गेट 5 by 4 into 1 by 3 plus 5 by 4 into 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 9 by 3. So from these two terms we have to take out common, that is 5 by 4. We have to take 5 by 4 common. So 5 by 4 into bracket. In bracket we get 1 by 3. Here middle term plus, that sign plus. Then we have to take out 5 by 4 outside. So here 2 by 3 is there. So we write 2 by 3. And again 3 3s are 9. 3 से फिर इस 3 को डिवाइड कर लेंगे. So 2 1s are 2. So minus 2 is there. So again 5 by 4 into 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is denominators जो है वो सेम है, इसलिए we have to add numerators only. So 3 by 3 minus here 3 by 3 means 1 ही हो जाएगा, so 5 by 4 into 1, that is 5 by 4 minus 2. 2 means 2 by 1. So what we get here? 5 minus 4 to the 8 upon 4. So 5 minus 8 minus 3 by 4. So in this way we can solve this example. If you see this example, you think that it is very difficult, but dear students, if we use this property, that is commutativity or associativity, or you can say distributivity, we can easily solve this example by using this method. Let us take one more example. और एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि एग्जाम्पल्स जो है ये बहुत इजी है. लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. जैसे 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 plus 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. Let us take this example. So again, here we see that in first term and this last term, 5 by 4 is common. So we take these two terms, 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4 into 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 5. Now we have taken out 5 by 4 common. So 5 by 4 common निकाल लिया, 5 by 4 into bracket 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus यहाँ पे कोई डिवीजन नहीं हो रहा है, so numerator into numerator 3 1 जा 3 4 5 जा 30, so 5 4 जा 30. So again 5 by 4 into, so here see denominators are different, so we can't add numerators directly. So we have to take cross multiplication, or by taking the LCM of denominator we can solve it. So 3 1 is 3, 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6 minus 3 by 20. So what we get here? 5 by 4 into 3 plus 4 7, 7 by 6 minus 3 by 20. So we have to multiply it first. So 7 5 is 35, 6 4 is 24 minus 3 by 20. So see students, here we have to multiply numerator to numerator. So 5 7 is 35 and denominator to denominator. So 4 6 is 24 and we have to subtract from this 3 by 20. Again here see denominators are different. So we have to make the denominator same by taking LCM, or you have to use this cross multiplication. So 35 into 20, what we get? That is 700 minus 24 into 3 minus 72 upon 24 into 20. 480. So 35 into 20 700 minus 24 into 3 minus 72 and 24 into 20 480. So if you subtract 700 from 72, what we get? 600. That is 600. 10 means to 8. To 628 upon 480. Here we have 628 upon 480. So you have to reduce it. आप इसको reduce कर सकते हैं, और reduce करने के बाद 2 से divide हो जाएगा, या फिर इसको 4 से भी division हो जाएगा. अगर आप इसको 4 से divide करते हैं तो what we get? 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20 and 4 7 is 28. Here 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and here we get. 2, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 22. Here we have 2 balance 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. So 628 upon 480. अगर हम इसको reduce करेंगे, here we get 157 by 1. So this is the answer. So in this way, students, we can simplify, we can solve such type of examples. Okay. Now again we have to see some other important properties related to these rational numbers, or some important notes related to this rational number, and one of them is, that is, additive identity. What we say? Additive identity. Here we have to see additive identity. So what is additive identity? Suppose if we take 3 and if we add 0 in 3, we get the same number 3. If we take minus 5, if we add 0 in it, we get minus 5. Or if we add any number in 0, we can say, suppose 0 plus, if we add 2 by 3 with 0, we get 2 by 3. If 0 plus minus 5 by 3, we get minus 5 by 3. So, if we add any rational number with 0, we get the same rational number. So 0 is called the additive identity. 0 is called additive identity because if we add any number with 0, we get the same number. So 0 is called additive identity. Then next important property, that is multiplicative identity. This is one of the additive identity. Then second is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. So suppose we have a rational number 2 by 3. If you multiply it by 1, we get the same rational number 2 by 3. Suppose we have a rational number minus 5 by 2.